Abusia for and will be a crabber, eba mama Dumas channel, Mama Dumas kitchen. Me do be biarasi, our channel subscribe. And ne ye baby shia de kitu ebi, hewa Ghana. Titi, maybe I need do fee, ye baby shia. Near Tiffy, yen chere ye man, ye crew me and dear. Never boy in. Today I would like to speak a little bit of English. Because I'm going to prepare a local dish from Ghana. I don't know how you guys call it in your language or in your countries. But anyway, Ghana, we call it eto. We use plantain, the red one and then the green one. The yellow ones and the green ones to do it. That's it. So today I'm going to teach you how to prepare it. And when you try it, maybe your kids will like it because my children like it. So maybe you too, your children will like it. So today we are going to learn how to prepare eto. So I have my plantain, my palm nut oil. You see? My onion, my ginger, my garlic, and this is avocado pear. In my local language, we call it pear or avocado. And then that's my eggs. So I'm going to peel it. I'm going to peel my plantain, my yellow plantain and the green one. So sit down. After I peel it, I will boil it. So sit down and wait for me. Abusia for me baby job bodiano. Bodiano me be job cocoa. We a yellow plantain, and this one is nearly yellow, so I'll add it to it, and then 2 green normal plantain, the green ones. So I'm going to wash them and then peel them and then boil it. So sit down and wait for me. I will for my job or the said you must see a channel. Until the best, so me find chinning boom, maybe one is if you need a cheap maconi, you know, near the hour and I come. So this is how the plantain look like. I'm going to boil it, guys. Afterwards, you continue. So sit down and wait for me. I will be back. Abusia, enemy, my chicha, my ginger, my garlic, and then onion. So I'm going to pepper the demon. The baby tree, and I'm chinning subu. The baby tree, as one. If you see who we are. Body and a beer, nothing at the atwasu. And I'm ready in peanut in me. We me and a chair, or cost shop could be a more being a beata, no wow about the chick with the sea so and watching come up. Till the baby tree me mocking, and in me near to us. I was seeing so one said you're Maconi. Maconi the eye. You see my pepper, my onion, my garlic and ginger. This is how it looks. You see? It looks tasty. And this is how the plantain looks. So you're going to mash it. I don't know how you people call this one in your local language. But you call it Ayawa. But for me, when someone asks me, how did you call this one? I say traditional blender. So this is how we used to mash our tomatoes and peppers and onion together. So you're going to mash it together. So, like that. Go on like that. See? See? I'm saying so. Oma kokoni komwa na anye dry. Ba okoye ne Ghana di ni bina de man kwala na. Omuni. Abusia so hu ngoni nie we nkwa me ana me ye nkwan na me sesi ho me nchi because wo di si ya so pe flavor ni nyina be fit say na me ye because we na hye oh say na chese wu twi fra oh because we na hye oh say anane no so ti sa ti mi twi nyina na me ti ngoni gum na me twi fra. See, then you added the palm oil to it, then you are mashing it. Mash. Abusia so me twie to na wi said yes I anye Ghana de den bio. It's soft, so all the kids can eat it. And mama ship nkati ne kakra de begu. So yes, media gumu no. Mo nu afra wo ho. Papa bi. Wo. Say heni. Mama. Pemi ko bi ti ne da ho me nkosua ni. Me peanut ni. Tansi tweme. Ba be serve. No ba be kan he. Ya hwese die sikofa he. Ti di akonya. Na ye bedi eto. Abusuan se wo. Eto na ye ready. We papa bi awia ya boy. Na what na ofie pa na wato obu atwi. Na waji wakonwa bi wo garden menua. We yensa na yedidi o. Adon sana de moamo na de hyewo no. O mse ko bi le da so. Papa bi, mama. Try bi na hwe. Emi ye wen fie nchi. Yensan ko ye nchi ni enkyere ye ma no. Africa ye nua ne di. We yeto. We ya makokọ ni nkomu makokọ ni komu a emu na ye soft. Ba ma ne ye dry to say Ghana bi na. Omunni timpacha o try bi. O try na ekowia. Ma me feedback e wo YouTube. Ye hu se de esi fine. Eni ni. Already shiro bi biara. Na wo share. E wo Yesu di no. Me so e ya fa wo se ni adoma no so. Na new video ba wanya bi ahwe. Me de obi biara ase. Already nka obi biara.